Okay. No, little. Start with the beginning. Twinkle.
Twinkle little star, how we're watching our regular diamond. It's like twinkle, twinkle, little bus.
Now get about the itsy bitsy spider.
It's spider, what's it about? Down the rain, it was it bounce. Down the rain, it was it bounce. Down the rain, wash.
Spider out. Okay. Get down, get down. Above the wheel on the bus. Come on.
Little bus.
Okay, the wheel on the bus. Hurry up.
Round around, little bus. Round around, oh, star. Hurry up with the bus.
Come on, sit there. Okay. On the bus. Come on.
Ow, ow.
What else? What's next? Can we go count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Uh-huh.
8,
Uh-huh.
9,
Okay.
10.
What's after 10? What's after 10?
11.
Uh-huh. 11?
11.
What's next?
13 is 16.
Uh-huh. 20.
20.
Yay! Can you do ABC now?
A, D, F.
A, B what?
Yeah.
Come on, finish ABC, then that's it. A,
D, F, G, H, I, J,
J what?
J, what?
After J, what's after J? N,
Q,
R,
S,
T,